Hello guys, welcome to your fourth Java tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you about some methods or functions and some control statements or selection or logical statements here. Okay, so let us begin with, well, the most important thing. We import java.util.scanner. Okay, and now we create a new scanner object, input equal to new scanner system dot in. There we go. Simple and easy. So next we declare three integer variables, a comma b comma c. Now what the objective of this program here is that I will take three input of integers like here. This is essentially what the program will do. I tested it before, sorry for that. And 5, 9 and 45, I entered these three numbers and the greatest of the three numbers is 45. Okay, so here I take three numbers and just input them. A equal to input dot next int, what the fuck, next int. Okay, and b equal to input dot next int, c equal to input dot next int. That's it. Now what the simple statement that I'm going to write here, system dot out dot println the greatest number is plus big A B C. Now you may be wondering what the hell I wrote here. Even this is showing an error. Okay, so let me just tell this to you. I just made this up just from my mind. I just wanted to write this and I wrote that. That is the best thing about program. You can just make stuff up, and it makes perfect sense later on. So let me just remove this error here by, for a small temporary time I'll be creating more errors. Okay, so public, don't get confused guys, static int big, int x, int y, int z. Don't worry, this will make sense in just a few moments. As soon as I type this will make superb sense. So int biggest, I'll just write big, big, equal to x. Now if this is the logical control statement here. Okay, if y greater than big, this is the greater than sign. Okay, big, then big equal to y. Now if z greater than big, okay, then big equal to z. No need for these spaces here. Now then return big. Think all the errors should be removed. Yeah, there we go, perfect. Everything has been removed and it should run now. So here I input 5. Why the hell has my keyboard frozen again? I hate Microsoft. This Windows 8.1 update has been horrible. So the greatest number is 7. So it works perfectly. And well, let me just explain the whole program to you now. This includes several new things and several old ones as well. So import this, as you already know. Public class, you already know. Public static, you don't know, but you know that you need to use this. Scanner input, easy, you know this. Int a b c, we declare three variables, also input them, also system.out.println. Okay, I know, plus you concatenate this thing. Okay, so here what is happening is we are calling the function or the method, whatever you call it, big, which is defined here. This is what it does, and we pass in three parameters. These are known as the actual parameters, a, b and c. What now, for example, a equal to 5, b equal to 7 and c equal to 4, as I have done in this run. Okay, so what it passes is essentially 5 in place of a, 7 in place of b and 4 in place of c. And in this here, the declaration of the function public static int big, this, you know take this for granted here, this part, the first two parts, public static, and now int. What int does here is actually define a return type. It'll become clearer as I explain. So here I've taken in these three formal parameters. These three parameters x, y and z are again stored in the computer's memory. These are again variables, and these copy the value of a, b, c into themselves. Now here, this is the algorithm of finding the bigger number. So I assume the bigger number is x, and I check if the second number is bigger than the first number. If it is, then the second number is the bigger number. Then again I check if the third number is bigger than the second number or the first number, in case the first one did not work. The first if statement did not work, in case. So if this third number is bigger than the bigger of the first two numbers, then the bigger number is the third number, and then I return big. What it does is returns this, the bigger number here, and this number is then outputted on the screen, which is 7 in this case. Okay, it's a very simple, very easy program. Get it into your head. It's gonna be very simple. Okay, that is why we have defined an int here, so that it defines the return type. The return type is an integer. This is how the computer understands. This is how we program. So this is a very simple program. Just stay with me for the rest of the tutorials coming up, and stay cool. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really gives me motivation to create more videos for you guys. Thank you for watching.